Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get a certification on Google Skillshop. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get a certification on Google Skillshop, you must first create a Skillshop account. Now after doing this, you need to select the certification path and then pass all of the required assessment. The entire process is free and study materials are provided on the platform. You need to simply set up your Skillshop account by visiting the website skillshop.withgoogle.com. After this, you need to sign in with your Google account, choose your certification, like browse the available topics to find the product you want to get certified in, select a specific certification, and review the learning path. After this, you need to study for the assessment and pass the final assessment. Once this is done, download and showcase your certification and you're all done. Accessing your profile, you can download your certification. You can simply tap on view and download your certificate and share your achievement. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many informative and advanced videos like this. We will keep you updated till the end.